Hi, how many?
3.
Wait, please. Right to this one, please.
Jump.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside
Yep, you go across.
Please wash your hands.
English. No, don't touch.
This is English.
We are doing English. Okay?
The sliding doors on your time machine will close automatically.
That's the English.
Remain
Yeah,
seated
it's English.
with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. Please watch your children.
Ready?
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while we give one your time travel.
Now locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Make sure your face is clearly visible. Good. Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your gun.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet is sailing through the universe. And for a brief moment, we took to it on its destiny. And what kind of future will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. At the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up to the next device, recording our knowledge on trade units. And then one small college, where we use to record our knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reed stand is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, designs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization.
Gerrit speret ef neb inchati per haut. Wat hefzu
At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, have a solution. They create a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented it. the beginning of something called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. Lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. Through their armies, they built small roads all over the known world. Rome was the first worldwide race, and
Per comandare materie fisiche, cui contributus legionis quae sibi volere imperare.
but then he hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. But that is about to change. In 1850, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house. There's just one problem. They're as big as a house.
Look. See? I said it looks like it's staring at Willow. Huh? I said it looks like it's staring at Willow. Now it's not looking at us. We're looking at it.
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now. Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Spaceship Earth. For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions first. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicles will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our journey is resuming now. Thank you.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Yes.
believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You'll leave your city home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. Or should I say the beginning of your future?
So here's to the next 30,000 years of Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step